Now, I want to check back in on this competition, but I thought it might be a good idea to get a little moral support from my #1 fan. And you heard Kevin say how Walkie Talkie is so great for staying in touch with close friends and family. So I set my daughter up with Walkie Talkie so that she can help demo what it's like to receive one and maybe give me a little bit of love up here. Oh, there she is.
Mommy, I see you on TV.
Isn't that fun? How am I doing?
So good. I know you'll beat Uncle Jay. Hashtag Mommy for the win.
Thanks, Peach. I love you.